This one is covered by our high quality leather-like PU. So this one is very soft, and we have got the feedback from our customers. A lot of people said that this is really like the real leather. So I think this one is going to be a very good choice if you would like to choose PU. And also this can be also covered by linen fabric or the velvet. And also if you would like to choose the velvet, you can also consider the new short velvet. Is called VT7002. And also this chair is going to be a very hot selling product because actually this one is really price preference. So if you're interested in this product, welcome to leave us a message for the price or for more information. The chair we are introducing right now is another chair from our designers, and also actually original one is like this kind of stitching. I think it's like several small pillows on the chair, and also this one is quite unique. And also this one is with the round leg, and also actually when you take a look at this, actually they are only differs on the stitchings, but this one with the square leg. Of course, if you would like to choose this stitching and this kind of square leg, of course. And also actually this one is quite popular because it has a very low price. And also of course if you're looking for a single small chair with kind of unique stitching and fabric, I think this one is going to be a very good choice. And also this one is another linen fabric from our company. So if you would like to find this kind of soft linen fabric, this is going to be a very good choice. And also the loadability for this chair is around 600 to 700. So I think it's going to be a very good number under the circumstances. And also this one is covered by the high quality PU. So if you're looking for this fabric which is very easy to clean, I think so this one is going to be a very good choice. If you would like to know more info of these two chairs, so welcome to leave us some messages or ask us some questions. The chair I'm going to introduce right now is a very hot selling one recently because it has a very exquisite outlook with a lot of tufted stitching here, and this one is with the swivel function. So this one is quite hot selling in a lot of European countries, and we have received a lot of orders. And this one, because it's a very small single chair and also it has a swivel function, so I think it's a very good and convenient chair if you put it in your dining room because you can just swivel around when you are having a dinner. And also this one, it has a very large loadability. It's around 950. So I think it's a very quiet number under the circumstances like this. And also we have another stitching like this. So this square stitching is more classic and also is more simple compared with this. So if you're looking for like this kind of simple stitching, so you can also choose this. And also the seat height and the seat width is all convenient and enough for us for the daily meal. And also of course these two right now is all covered by the velvet, and I think this one, especially this one, is kind of very soft. And of course if you would like to choose other fabric, I think for this kind of tufted stitching you can also choose our TKS. It's a kind of leather-like PU. But if you would like to choose the very tough linen, I think it won't be very good like this kind of effect because this stitching needs a very soft fabric. But of course, if you would like to choose the linen, you can choose this kind of stitching. So if you're looking for this kind of small chairs, I think this one is going to be a very good choice. The chair we can see right now is a series, and this is also the most hot selling series in the last year. And also from the stitching, we can see originally there are two kind of stitching with this kind of vertical and this small diamond stitching. And of course, you can see two kind of stitching put on different legs and also different materials. So I will introduce right now one by one because originally from this kind of square legs, actually is the most original one because it has a very large loadability around 1,200. So I think it's going to be a very hot selling and also quite a competitive product in the export business. And also this one is covered by the microfiber, which is also the most hot-selling fabric in ULAC. And also this one is covered by the vintage velvet, which is also quite hot-selling in the past year. And also these two are with a different leg, but this one is the loadability is a little less than this one, because this round leg is not that stackable compared with this one. So I think compared with this one, we also put a handle here, which is more convenient to move. And also this one is covered by the same fabric as this one. So they're all covered by the high quality PU. So this one is just what I mentioned just now, is really like the real leather, so which is also quite welcome by our customers. And also actually this one, you can see from the stitching, it has nothing to do with the previous stitching. So, but actually the inside board is the same with these chairs. So it has a quite unique wrinkle stitching here, and it looks quite simple. And also this one is quite unique because it's with a very simple stitching, and also the loadability is quite same as this one, around 1,200. So if you're looking for the most competitive chair, so this one is going to be your choice because the price is quite low. And if you're looking for this kind of stitching, or if you're looking for other fabric, other stitching, and different materials, so of course you can let us know, and we can send you more choices and send you more price and pictures. The chair we are looking at right now is another hot-selling one, and actually this one was just launched in this summer, so it's kind of new chair. And also this one, it has a very high price performance, because this one, if you are interested in the price, you can let us know, or look just to find the sales you are contacting with. So actually this one it has a very simple wrinkle like this, and also it can be covered by three kinds of fabric. So first one is these two kinds of very soft velvet, and this one actually is our hot-selling V062. So actually we have sold this fabric for many years, and also is also welcomed by our customers. And this one actually, it is a very short velvet we just launched this year. So if you're looking for this kind of with no finger effect velvet, you can choose this one. And also number two, you can choose this kind of very soft PU fabric. And also the third one, you can choose the soft linen fabric, not tough linen, so because it won't be good with the wrinkle stitching. And also this one, these two actually they are the same, and just with the different fabrics. And I would like to show you different effects with different fabric. And this one actually the bars too, and also this one is quite hot selling, and also it has a very large loadability as well. So if you are looking for a very simple and a very small chair, so I think this one is going to be the hot selling top one in the next year. If you would like to have this kind of target customer, so I highly recommend you to choose this one. Hello, the chair I'm introducing right now is originally from this backrest, a very simple square stitching and with the square leg. So actually this one is covered by the high quality PU, which is very soft. And also this chair, if you would like to pursue a very competitive chair, actually you can change this high-end PU into normal velvet. It will be a higher price performance. So, and also we're targeting this kind of chair with the velvet and square leg to be a very top-selling armchair in the next year, because of the very simple look and also the competitive price. And also actually this one till now we have received a lot of orders from our customers. So I bet this is going to be a very top-selling armchair in the next year. So of course, if you would like to choose this kind of PU, it's more easier for you to clean. And also this square leg is quite unique because it looks very exquisite. And also this one is with 360 swivel function. So actually this one, I think if you look at the price, this is going to be a very satisfied product. And also, of course, if you are pursuing a higher end, you can choose this PU or this kind of combined fabric. On the back is the same PU compared with this one, but with a different color. And also at the front is a new tough rough linen fabric, which is also quite selling in our company. And also if you look at the color swatch here, so the orange and the gray linen fabric is the most top selling two colors. So of course, if you would like to choose a high-end, you can consider this two fabric. And also actually this chair you can see is the totally same backrest, but if you look at the leg is more exquisite. And also this one, the shape of this chair is more welcome this year. If you look at this chair, actually it has a totally same backrest compared with these two. But actually if you take a look at the leg and also the swivel function, actually it is more welcome this year, because actually if you turn it to other direction, it will automatically turn back to the resting position. Yeah, like this. And also actually this one I think is more suitable to the meeting use. So for example, if you put it in a very tidy direction and when the people leave, so actually the chair will automatically turn back. So you don't need to waste time to put it to the right position. So of course, this kind of swivel function, the price is higher than this one. So if you are pursuing a high-end meeting room chair, so this one is going to be a right choice. The chair I'm introducing right now is another single chair from our original design. So the designer is looking for a chair with a very smooth edge like this, because you can see it has a very smooth and fluent edge. And actually I think the advantage of this chair is the comfort. So because if I sit here, it's super comfy because it has a very high back. So you can see from the sides, it can attach to my back. So, and also it has a very smooth edge here. So at the back, it can support my back very comfortable. And also you can see the two small edges here. So I think I can rest my arms or my hands here if I feel very tired. So I think this one from the comfort, so this is a really good choice. And also this chair is covered by the new very soft linen fabric, which is called Bella. And also we assume this fabric to be the hot selling soft linen fabric in the coming year. So I think if you would like to choose this kind of soft linen, so you could choose from this fabric swatch. And also you can choose from like this kind of brown and light gray, dark gray. And also you can see a lot of choices where the colors there. So if you're looking for the fabric swatch, you can contact with us and or the sales. We can send you the picture. And also this one, actually they are with the same shape, but with a different stitching and fabric. So this one is more like vintage style. It's more suitable for German markets with a big diamond stitching, and also kind of more vintage style fabric covered by the microfiber. It's called PK, so which is a very classic and hot selling fabric in our company. And also for the leg, it's just quite simple, and I think this chair looks very harmonious with a very fluent and smooth shape, and also a very simple leg. So if you're looking for a very comfortable single chair, so I think this one it will be your great choice. The chair we are looking at right now is a very competitive chair and also very simple, and it has a very large loadability. This chair, I think from the design is quite simple, and also I think with the vertical stitching is like a peach, so which is quite cute. And also here you can see the different colors. So actually these three chairs are from the mass production from our customer. And also you can see if you would like to try more color selection, you can contact with us, so maybe we can send you the renderings. And also for this fabric is a very hot selling one, and also it is very soft. And of course, if you would like to choose this linen fabric, we can send you the color swatch. And also the most competitive for this chair is the loadability is around 1,500. So I think it will be a very good choice for our customers. And also, of course, if you are looking for a chair which is super competitive, you can also ask for the fabric choices. So we can send you more choices to make it as the most competitive chair in your next year's selling. And also we hope that this is going to be the target product for all of your customers. Hello, the chair I'm introducing right now is a very simple chair from the Outlook. So maybe you think it's not quite special for you to put in the home. So actually I think this one the most attractive is it is a stackable chair. So for example, if you have a lot of family members in your home, but actually for the daily usage you just need 1 or 2 or 3, but you can buy like 8 or 10 chairs for you for the family reunion. So actually this one is going to be a very good chair, because if you don't need that, you can just stack it like this. So I think if you put like this, it will save a lot of space. So if you're looking for this kind of chair, so you can leave us for more choices for the fabric and also for the color. And this one right now it is covered by the velvet, which is called V062, the most competitive and also the most popular fabric in our company. And also the light gray color is also the most welcome and popular color. So here, if you would like to choose this kind of simple and small chair, so I think this is going to be a very good choice. And also for the leg is right now is with the golden chrome, so which requires a very high technique. And also of course we can turn it into the black powder coating, of course. So if you're looking for the moist choices, so leave us a message, we can send you more renderings. Hello everyone, the chair I'm introducing right now is a quite special chair, because you can see from the backrest it's a kind of knitted chair. But how did we make it? So actually here is covered by the velvet and inside is the silk foam. So actually it makes the chair very soft, and you can see it goes back very fast if you like. For example, if you lay back. And also this one actually it requires a very high requirement on workers' handcraft. So actually this one from the price, it is higher than the normal chair because it needs 100% handmade. And also for the backrest is quite simple, and also we just put a board and also the foam. And also this one from the color you can see is all covered by the velvet, and this one is with the golden chrome, and another one is like the black powder coating. So of course, if you would like to change to some other fabric, like linen fabric, which is also the most hot selling one on this wave chair. And also, of course, if you would like to change the shape, so actually this wave chair is available on all kinds of the chairs. For example, if you are like looking for some other shape, some armchair, so actually which is also another choice I'm going to introduce later. So actually it can be all available on the wave chair, because we can just make this kind of stitching on the different shape, on the different metal frame. So actually this one is the most competitive chair. So because the loadability for this chair is around 1,200. So if you think you are going to sell this kind of chair with a very low price, I think this one is a very great choice. So later on, I'm going to show you more choices with the wave chair. This is another wave chair that I'm going to introduce. So actually this one till now is the most hot-selling armchair with the waved stitching. So I think this one is quite exquisite from the shape, because it's quite small, and also actually the space for the seat is large enough for you to sit. And also this one is covered by the velvet as well. And this navy blue I think is the most hot selling several colors in European countries. And this one actually for the backrest and the leg is the kitty structure. So you can see from the bottom, so actually it will be knocked down if we export to our customers. So we will knock down like 2 pieces of leg, and also to put it like a cross here. And also actually it's quite easy to assemble. And also for the feet, we are using the adjustable feet, which is quite stable for you because it won't bring like the 3 feet effect. So I think this one is a very exquisite armchair. So if you like this kind of wave chair and if you would like to try the wave chair, so I suggest you to start from this chair. And also, of course, if you would like to get the price or the more color choices, so you can leave us a message and we can send you more selections. Hello, the chair I'm introducing right now is a top selling single chair from our original design. So this one, I guess if you have paid attention to our designs for a long time, you have seen this from the last year. So this one is quite hot selling and also it's welcomed by a lot of customers because the super comfort feeling when you sit on it. And also from the design is covered by 2 kinds of fabric, the high quality PU and also the microfiber. So which is quite unique and also quite colorful in your daily life. And also the tufted stitching makes it more exquisite. And of course, I guess you have seen our catalog that we are also offering another stitching, like 2 kind of horizontal stitching, so which is more simple than this one. And also, of course, actually, if you would like to choose this kind of tufted stitching, you only have 2 choices. One is kind of this very soft, high quality PU because it's soft enough, and also another choice is going to be the velvet. So actually, if you would like to choose the microfiber at the front, actually it won't bring you a very good effect. So we have offering 2 kind of PU and velvet for you to choose. So I think this is also the best feedback from our customers. So these are the choices we provide for you. And also, of course, actually this one, it has a very large loadability around 600 to 700. So I think which is a very good number for you to choose. I think the most advantage I would like to tell you is the comfort of this chair, because on the top layer, it's totally filled with foam, and also it has a very high resilience. So I feel super comfortable while I'm sitting on it. So I think this one, if I would like to choose a comfortable chair, so this is going to be definitely the top one I'm going to choose in my own house. So if you're looking for this kind of comfort feeling, so don't hesitate to ask for more info. Hello, this chair I'm introducing right now is a quite simple chair, but actually it was a very new design from our company, and also from the fabric and also the stitching, you can see it's quite simple, and especially with the PU and with the same stitching, and also of course you can see the material inside. The foam is very thick and firm, so which makes this chair very comfortable. And also for the back, it has a very high back, and also I feel quite comfortable while I'm sitting on it because it can support my back very well. So I think this one is more proper for the people who is pursuing a very comfort life. And also, of course, if you look at the screen right now, you can see we are offering 2 different legs. And also, of course, this skirt legs is more simple. And also, I've heard that from a lot of customers, this fur legs is more welcome for some people because it's more easy for us to sweeping the floor, because you can see just the sweeping, you can go through under it. And also, of course, if you're choosing the spider leg, you can make it a swivel function. So actually, this is a quite new design. So that's why we really would like to hear more comments or your concerns on this chair. And also, of course, if you would like to get more information, like more choices, so we also welcome your inquiry and your comments. The product I'm introducing right now has a very high price performance because you can see it's a quite simple computer desk, and only it's quite small, and I think this one is a perfect item for the dormitory. And also you can see it's made of very simple material with the melamine surface and also the metal-like. And also this is the top one hot selling color in our company, with this kind of wooden melamine and also the white leg. Of course, another color that is hot selling is the gray, like concrete melamine, and also together with the black leg. So those are the two choices I recommend for you. And also here you can see there's a drawer so that you can put some books or stuff in it, so it won't look quite messy on the tabletop. And also so here, so I think if you would like to target your customers at some price performance, or if you would like to sell this as a very hot selling item for the next year, so don't hesitate to contact us. The product we are introducing right now is a hot selling bar table. So this one is quite Nordic style and is very hot selling in European countries. And the tabletop is covered by the melamine surface, so you can see it's in very shallow and light wooden color. And also the leg is in black painting, so and with a pedal in the middle, so which is super simple. But I think this kind of simple and Nordic style is easy to match up with other furnitures. And also, for example, here actually it has a very light color, and we are matching a very cute bar stool. So here the bar stool is covered by the new teddy fabric, which is quite cute and in blue color. And also we are matching the same color legs with the tabletop. So here actually this European style, so I think this is very popular among our customers. And if you're interested in this kind of product, I think it will be a very perfect product for the next year selling. And for loadability, this one it can be very high, so I think it will be an advantage for the circumstances of the pandemic, of the seafood. And also, so if you're interested in this product or you want to know more info or the price, welcome to leave us a message. I'm very happy to introduce this very intelligent furniture for you. So this is a very cute coffee table where you can regard it as a side table as well, because the size is really cute. And as for the size, actually we are providing diameter 40 and 50, so you can choose according to your need. And also, why do I call it intelligent? Because first of all, it can provide the light. For example, when I connect it with electricity, so when you touch here, so it will turn to the white color white, and it has three types. You press again, it turns yellow, and also if you press again, it turns the combination of the white and yellow. So, and also you can turn it off. And also secondly, actually you can use the phone. So actually it provides the wireless charging. So you can see it is charging right now. So I think this small side table or coffee table is very convenient if you want to put beside the sofa, or you can put it next to the bed. Because for example, when you are take a rest at night and also your phone is out of charge, so actually I think this one will provide you a lot of convenience. So of course this one small coffee table, it's a KD structure as well. So from the bottom you can see it is fully KD. So the loadability actually is very large, it's around 1,500. So if you would like to try this intelligent furniture in your market, welcome to leave us a message. Hi, the product I'm introducing right now is a coffee table, which is very simple and classic. So this one is just made of MDF for the tabletop and the shelf, and with black metal and golden painting here. So the coffee table is quite simple, but actually we make it more perfect than before, because the tabletop is made of MDF and the melamine surface. So melamine, I think, compared with veneer paper we are getting used to use before, so I think melamine is more scratch proofing. So, and right now it's in concrete, and so here actually I would like to show you several colors of the melamine. So first of all, the two wooden colors. So actually this one is more popular than this one, but of course I think a different customer would like to choose different color for their market. And also, so here are the wooden choices, and also for this kind of concrete color, and it has a little marble effect. So we are offering 3 more options. So here you can see from the light concrete to the most dark, and this one is kind of actually the feeling of it is a little different. So if you would like to know the differences, you can let us know and we will send you the picture. Okay, so these are the concrete color, and also if you prefer some Nordic style, and we are also offering some pure colors like these. So actually, so from here you can see from the light gray and to dark gray, and also this kind of coral color, which is quite popular this year. So in total, there are 8 colors. So if you would like to change any color of the coffee table, you can let us know, and we would like to offer more renderings. So if you're interested in this product, welcome to let us know. Hi everyone, I'm going to introduce a very new hot selling coffee table right now. So actually this one was just launched this month, and for the customer, so actually this one is quite simple from the design, because it's made of a melamine board and also the metal frame. So actually this one you can see from the 1 to 3, so they are only differs on the color and the size. So I think this one, the biggest is the size is 80 on 80, and this one 60 on 60, and that one 40 on 40. So I think if you have like this kind of lounge and a 2-seater sofa, so I suggest you to choose 180 and 160. So I think this is quite large enough for you to put your stuffs, and also for example, just like some flowers and some decorations. And also, of course, you can also choose a small one as a set table. And also you can see from the different color for the tabletop. So these 3 are also quite hot selling melamine colors in our market, in our company. So this one is a kind of gray white, and also this one the color, the coral color, and also that one the wooden color. So I think this one, these 3 are great choices for you, and these are also 3 different feelings. So this one belongs to some Nordic style, and also the wooden color is suitable for all the markets, no matter what kind of feeling you would like to build. And also, of course, actually we are offering 8 colors for melamine for you, and also you can check from the screen. So if you would like to try some new colors on the coffee table, so we are also glad to offering. And also, of course, if you would like to choose this coffee table for your market, the advantage for this coffee table is the loadability is very large, because it's KD structure, so the package can be very small. So I think it's going to be a quite great choice for you for the new year selling. So if you would like to know more information, welcome to leave us some comments or ask for an inquiry. The table we are looking at right now is a hot selling table in 2021. So this one is a fixed table, so it's not extensional. Of course, we are offering extensional as well. But this one actually is very hot selling because the structure is very good, because you can see a very exquisite leg, and also it's in KD structure. And also here is in black sanded leg. And also for the tabletop, actually we're using MDF with the melamine surface. And so here right now you are seeing the concrete color with a little marble effect on the surface. And also you know that we are offering different colors for the melamine, and of course you could choose from different colors, for example like the light gray melamine, or like the marble which is close to white. And also of course if you have seen our pictures of a wooden color, that would also be a choice for you. And also of course you can also choose like white or some cream or coral color for the table, so those may be more suitable for Nordic style. So, and I think this one is quite enough for 4 to 6 people, and also it will be a nice product for you for the selling of 2022. And also for the chair, actually I just introduced is a stackable chair. So for example, if you don't need for some time, so actually you can stack them together, so it won't take too much spaces in your house. So if you're interested in this set, you can let us know and we can send you more information or the price. The product we are introducing right now is a hot sliding dining table with the extensional function from 160 centimeters to 200 centimeters. So I think it will be available for 4 to 8 people. So I think that will be quite nice product for a very large family. And also for the table base, so you can see it has a very unique cross and also 2 separated legs. And also actually if you check our catalog, you can see we also provide the same tabletop and 4 legs. So those are 2 options we are offering. And also for the tabletop, so this is made of melamine surface, so you can see it's quite smooth for the surface. And also this is the most popular color we would like to suggest for European countries because we have gained a lot of orders from our customers. And also for the extensional function, you can see it belongs to the butterfly, so you can just fold or unfold this if you according to your requirements. And also of course you can see we are matching the armchairs, so I think if you don't need the large size for most of the time, you can also choose the armchair, which can provide you more comfort. So if you're interested in the dining table or the chairs, welcome to let us know. This bed is a new product we just launched recently. So actually you can see a very harmonious color here. So the bed set Ottoman Storage, and also here is a bed stand. So actually they are all covered by the same gray velvet, so it looks quite harmonious in the room. And also I think this is a great choice for our customers for reference. And so let's take a look one by one. First one, the bed is covered by like the velvets and with the tufted stitching with the button in the middle. So actually this one requires a very high handcraft because it's all done by workers. Actually this will be finished by 100% handcraft, and also it will cost a long time. And also this bed, you know that we are offering different sizes for choices. For example, from 120 to 140, 60 to 180. So actually our customer can choose the size according to their needs. And also here, so let's take a look of this very cute bed stand. Actually I think this one covered by velvet is more proper and suitable for the families who got a kid. For example, because this is covered very well, and also you don't need to worry about the kids if they hit on the angle here. So it's quite smooth, and also it has a very cute drawer, so we can put something for storage. And also here is a very vacant space, and also of course you can put some books or some stuff that you use frequently, so which is quite convenient. And also let's go to see the Ottoman Storage here. So this one actually is, I think if you put this at the end of the bed, is quite convenient because, for example, you have some pillows or you have some blankets you want to store it at a day. So actually it will be very convenient if you put store them here. And also here, so actually you can see from that side it has a gas spring, so which is if you open it like this, it will be like stop here. And also you can do some cleanings and you can do some storage. And also of course when you close it, so it will be not too noisy. And also you can take a look at the feet of this Ottoman and also for the bed. So actually it's made of the black metal with sanded painting. So I think you can see that this thickness of this metal is very thick, so it will be very firm. And also of course this set, if you are satisfied with the whole set, you can like purchase, or you can ask for inquiry for the whole set. And of course if you want to buy the single of them, it will be also available. So if you're interested or you want to know the more information, welcome to let us know. The chair I'm introducing right now is a very new design from our designer Janice. So actually this chair, I think it is very unique because you can see it's like a small pillow here and the double layer, and also you can see the arm here is like floating like. So I think which is so much like the chair is embracing you. So, and I think this one is unique enough. And of course we have applied for UIPO, so which means you can have a very unique selling process from you like. And also here this chair is in KD structure and also the swivel function. And the loadability for a 40 high cube can be nearly 600. The chair I'm introducing right now is another one from designer Janice, and also this is also have the UIPO patent. And also this chair I think which is very classic because you can see it's a very normal chair with a very straight back. So from the side you can see if I say here it's going to be quite straight, and also I think with this kind of soft linen fabric I think it can bring you a very neutral and modern style. And also especially with this kind of soft linen fabric. And of course this is a kind of new fabric, and also you can see the color swatch from our salespersons where you can ask from us. And also here actually you can see this stitching are from the two sides. It also has one stitching at the back. And also here actually if in order to make the package small, so actually we make the height of the bag here the same height with the seat pad. And also this chair is also with the KD structure, and also it makes the chair to be around 730 pieces in a 40 high cube. So if you're looking for a very classic modern dining chair and also a very large loadability, so welcome to ask for inquiry. The dining chair we are introducing right now is another great piece of work from Janice as well. So here actually as you can see the cover here, the edge here is like a cover your legs, and also here is like you're embraced by the chair. And also so actually this is very comfortable. And also from the alloy you can see is with the small diamond stitching from both front side and also the back side. And also you can see is combined with two different fabric, the soft linen fabric which is called Bella, and also the back is in microfiber which is called PK. And also this chair actually is, I think is kind of industrial style, which is quite suitable for German markets or some East European countries. And also this leg you can see with the very thin spider leg is also in KD structure. So I think this kind of spider leg which is very popular in the recent circumstances because it can improve the durability. And for this chair, the 40 high cube loading is around 600. So I think if you would like to know more about spider leg, so actually we are also introducing another structure which can make the chair to around 900. So those are two kind of options for the spider legs. So if you would like to choose this kind of very unique dining chair, so welcome to leave your inquiry. The chair I'm introducing right now is a very bright color, and also you can see here in yellow, and also if you would like to see like another pink, we also made a sample. So actually this chair we have applied for UIPO because this is our own design, and you can see it's a very unique two-layer back seat, and also you can see here actually it's very soft, and also it can bring you a very comfortable seat feeling. And also this chair you can see is a whole piece of foam here, so that's why we can use only one very unique tufting. So actually here I think this one can bring you a great comfort, and also this is a very unique design. And also here you can also see the seat pad is also in two layers, but also of course this is fixed. And also so actually if I sit here, so I feel very comfortable. and also I think this one is very suitable for all the European countries. And also this one, the unique backrest with another leg, has already been selected by one of our large customers. And also we made it a modified version, which is a kind of normal 4 legs, and also of course is in KD structure. So I think if you would like to choose this kind of high-end armchair, so I think this kind of 4 leg is going to be a very unique and also a very great choice. So if you are interested in this chair, welcome to let us know. The leather chair very lovely, and also especially with this kind of new boucle fabric. So I think boucle and also the teddy fabric is super popular this year. And also, of course, we need to catch the trend. And also this chair is from our own design, and also we have applied for the UIPO, of course. And also this one, from the design, you can see no matter the front side of the arm and also the seat pad is very firm with a high density foam. So I think if it is very comfortable and is super great if you sit here. And also I feel quite comfy with this angle as well, because the back, although it's not very high, but actually it can support my back. And the white color